Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Today we will learn Arabic letters.
This is the first Arabic letter. It is called Alif. Very good. This is the first Arabic letter. It is called
Alif.
Alif is for Asad. This letter is Ba. Ba has one dot below.
It's for Bata.
Bata means dot.
Bata.
This is the letter Ta.
Thaa.
Has two dots on top. Ta is for Taj. Taj means crown.
Thaa. Thaa.
What letter is this?
Ali.
What letter is this? And this one? Ta.
Alif Baa Arabic letters worn together happily. Alif Baa say yes.
MashaAllah! Today we learned Alifbaata. See you in the next lesson! Please subscribe for more lessons.